Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2016 Mazda BT50 XT dual cab ute, stock reference number 4115. The shape runs from the 10th month 2011 is the current shape. It's got a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end and the right front door. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's got an aftermarket steel Dura tray, supplied with all fittings. Left-hand tail light is required. Factory fitted tow bar. Looks like the wiring has been damaged. Still might be suitable for somebody. Right rear 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. Right hand side step in black with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.